Have you ever wondered what truly transpires after you lose weight? It's a question that teases the minds of many, and today we're delving into the heart of this intriguing subject. The journey of weight loss is often filled with challenges, but it's the aftermath that people seldom discuss. Many believe that once the extra pounds are shed, the journey is over. But is that truly the case? Research shows that weight loss, particularly significant weight loss, can have profound effects on your body and mind. Physically, you'll notice changes in your energy levels, sleep patterns, and even your skin. With the loss of body mass, many report increased energy, improved sleep, and sometimes loose skin. But the transformation isn't just physical, there's a psychological element that we cannot ignore. Studies suggest that after weight loss, many experience a boost in their self-esteem and overall mood. However, it's not always a sunny forecast. Some individuals report feelings of anxiety and depression, often linked to a sudden change in self-perception and the pressure to maintain their new weight. Moreover, your body, in its incredible adaptability, undergoes metabolic changes. After weight loss, your metabolism typically slows down, making it easier to regain weight. This is your body's survival mechanism kicking in, trying to conserve energy in case of future famines. Now let's talk about fitness. If you're a fitness enthusiast, you'll know that muscle mass often decreases with weight loss. This is especially true if the weight loss was rapid or if it was achieved without incorporating strength training into the regimen. This is why experts recommend a balanced approach to weight loss, combining cardio with strength training to maintain muscle mass while shedding fat. Furthermore, weight loss can also impact your nutritional needs. Your body may require fewer calories to function, but the need for nutrient-dense food remains. Balancing a diet post-weight loss can be a challenge, but it's crucial to prevent nutrient deficiencies. In sum, weight loss is not the end of the journey, but rather the beginning of a new one. It brings about changes in your physical appearance, psychological state, metabolism, fitness level, and nutritional needs. It requires you to adapt and find new ways to maintain your health and weight. Remember, the goal is not just to lose weight, but to sustain a healthy lifestyle. It's about creating a balance that allows you to enjoy life while taking care of your body and mind. So the next time you think about weight loss, don't forget about what comes after, because the true achievement lies not in losing weight, but in maintaining that loss and embracing a healthier, more balanced life.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it exciting. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with future content. I want to remind you that it's you who make this channel special. Your comments, suggestions, and feedback are priceless. So I encourage you to leave a comment down below, share the video with your friends, and let us know what topics you'd like to see in future videos. With love and gratitude, Body Blaster Insights.